Cherry MX Blue switches. Cherry MX Blue LED gaming key switches feature the world's leading mechanical key switch technology with a quick gaming response and 50 million keystrokes for long-lasting durability. 100% anti-ghosting. Don't miss a single key press as you utilize the 100% anti-ghosting in 6-key rollover or choose full N-key rollover for total accuracy in the heat of battle. Dynamic backlighting. Brilliant teal-blue backlighting enhances the experience with lighting adjustability of the gaming mechanical keyboard Cherry MX. Choose from 10 lighting effects. Connection. Braided gold-plated USB with a cable length of 5.9 feet. Software support. Windows 7, 8, 8.1 10. Take your first steps into the world of mechanical keyboards with Acer's Aethon 300. Give yourself a tactical advantage as you feel the world-famous Cherry MX Blue keys give you a fluid gaming experience. This ultra-responsive keyboard features a customizable teal-blue backlit LED with 10 preset lighting modes and is 100% anti-ghosting, delivering reliably accurate performance to players. Take your gameplay to the next level. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent mechanical keyboard. The days of keyboard keys popping off are over with this keyboard. In addition, the backlighting is effective when the lights are out. Highly recommend this keyboard.